Hello, today we're going to be using a rolled hem foot to make nice, neat rolled hems. I bought this off the eBay and it's a 1/2 inch. And today we're going to be demoing it on a piece of scrap I was using to make a skirt earlier. So first you're going to start off by taking an approximately 1/2 inch piece of fabric and folding and creasing it, kind of pressing it with our thumb all around like that. And then folding it over once more. See, the rolled hem foot has a little, go twice over in this. So that should be good enough. Now we're going to take this and insert it into our contraption by noting where the rolls are and then just kind of spinning it over like so, to that effect. Yes, and then now we're ready to sew. Center the needle around where you want it to be. Bring it over just one click. Make it sure it's nice and rolled. And we go. Okay, kind of bad start, but keep on going. And just keep on going, keep on feeding it. Okay, back out. Let's. Oh, damn it. Okay, there we go. Let's see how this looks. God fucking damn, stupid fucking son of a piece of shit.